Perfect your English. Avoid misusing several, a few, and a couple of. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to address some common mistakes people make when using the quantifiers several, a few, and a couple of. These terms are often used interchangeably, but there are subtle differences in their meanings and use. Let's clear up the confusion. Before we talk about the mistakes, let's understand these quantifiers. Several typically refers to more than two but not many. It is used with countable nouns. A few also indicates a small number, usually more than two and less than several. It is also used with countable nouns. A couple of directly refers to two of something. However, in informal speech, it sometimes means a small number. Now, let's look at some common mistakes and how to avoid them. 1. Mistake: using these quantifiers with uncountable nouns. 2. Correction: remember, several, a few, and a couple of are used with countable nouns. Use some or a little for uncountable nouns. 3. Mistake: using a couple of to indicate more than two. 4. Correction: a couple of should typically be used to indicate two. For more than two, consider using a few or several. 5. Mistake: using several for two items. 6. Correction: several indicates more than two. Use a couple of for two items. 7. Mistake: using a few when the number is large. 8. Correction: a few indicates a small number. Use many or several when referring to a larger number. Now let's practice with some examples. Incorrect: I have a few cats and dogs at home. When you have a large number, say 10 cats and 5 dogs. Correct: I have several cats and dogs at home. Incorrect: I have several apples. When you have only 2 apples. Correct: I have a couple of apples. Incorrect: he has a couple of friends coming over. When he has 5 friends coming over. Correct: he has a few friends coming over. Remember, the correct usage of these quantifiers not only makes your English sound more natural, but it also provides more precise information to your listener or reader. And that wraps up our lesson for today on using several, a few, and a couple of. We hope this video helps you understand these common mistakes and how to avoid them. Keep practicing, and remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Stay tuned for more lessons, and until next time, happy learning!